Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and welcome back. I hope all of you had a wonderful break, and welcome to the new year. So for our first thing for our announcements, we have January birthdays to announce. So for our birthdays, we have Lily B, and also Lillian Davis, Jazzy Ann Higgs, and also Joseph Swisher. Happy birthday to all of you. So all of you are the first birthdays of the new year. For our lunch choices for today, we have corn dog, orange chicken with rice, or some butter and jelly sandwich. And today we have our pause announcement coming from our kindergarten class. So we'll see what they have to say about making sure that we're following our pause.
Okay, we have some students here from Mrs. Hirsch's class that will talk about some things that you can make sure for our pause.
Be nice to others. Always watch out where you're going.
Very good advice from our kindergarten group. Thank you very much.
Thank you guys. I appreciate that very much. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. And if you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Okay, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. We make sure we're standing and have our hand over our heart. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands,
one nation, under God, indivisible, and justice.
Good job, guys. I appreciate your help with the Pledge of Allegiance for today. And everybody, let's have a great day. It's the first day back from break. Oh, I hope all of you had a great Christmas, and now we're back at school. We're happy to see all of you, and we're wanting to teach you every single day. So let's make sure we make some great choices today and for the rest of this year. I'll see all of you very soon.